Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to locate Calendar app and click on it. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour and ending one. From here, you can also disable this feature completely by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now you can type in an address in location section and click on repeat. Now tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just tap on never. Over here you can set up a reminder, minutes, hours or weeks before your event, mark it as important by choosing this switcher, pick your account, and even take notes. When you're ready, click on the checkmark at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to make some changes, you can do that by tapping on it and choosing Edit option in the middle at the bottom. Now make your changes. And discard them by choosing top left corner or save them by clicking on top right one. If you wish to delete your event, you need to click on it again, but this time choose delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!